treat yourself to a test drive in the 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With just over 45,000 miles on the odometer, this truck refuses to compromise. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors, and seats, front and rear reading lights, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.